G'day guys, still New Year's Day and take the second video. This is shot probably about 5 minutes later, I'd say, from the last one. He's back again. He's just going around and doing what they normally do and fly around and irritate people and drop off entities and spirits and whatnot just to irritate people and make this world a better place. Not. So I mean, yeah. Look, I do encourage people to you know, hear for the Rolling Thunder and be proactive and you know, look into the skies, because it's a very subtle rolling thunder, and he's actually pausing up there now, so he's actually not moving too much. He's got a mate in the background too, it looks like, and he's really moving now. There's one actually to the bottom corner. See that one on the right? He's really hiking it. That one's gone stationary, and on the bottom right hand corner, looks like he could be behind the house, not too sure. But this one's he was really moving, the one behind. He sort of came out of nowhere. But this one, he's just sort of hovering there now. Going very slowly. I mean, he sounded like a plane before, but planes can't go that slow if you look closely, and that's in there. I mean, planes don't do that. You know, and you heard him before. And the other one in the bottom picture there, he's actually just underneath him right now, actually, which is very strange. You might see the red light there, like he's going to say g'day. But yeah, he's actually coming up underneath him now. I can't see him too much more, but yeah, he's actually down the bottom down there. He's behind the houses. He's really low, that one. He's really low. And this one right now, he's really, he's picking up. He's coming pretty much over the house, more or less. He's, yeah, he's pretty, yeah, there he is. Say hello to everybody. He's pretty happy. You can see all the entities around, and he's just, you know, just looking like a plane or helicopter. But you can see how he sounds like a plane. But planes, they just sort of fall. They don't remain stationary. Planes can't do that. So I mean, look, you know, what can I say? But he's just off from the house. So he's a unique specimen. It's like they're on some sort of a platform or a carpet sort of thing. It's hard to sort of explain it without, you know. But as you can see, yeah, it sounds like a plane. Now, planes just can't stay stationary. I mean, he's just moving around the back of the house right now. So let's walk around the side. Yeah, so he's taking off. He's turning a bit to the left, but it's sort of like a glide almost. So he's actually gone right now. And the other one that was over there, I don't know where he went, but I'll go on the ladder and have a quick look. But he was, oh, there he is. He's a big one too. He's a big one in the distance. He's a big one. There's a big one in the distance. He's the one. I'll go up here now. He's a big one in the distance back there right now. He's a really big one. I'll zoom out and I'll zoom back in again. And yeah, he's a behemoth, that one. Let me zoom in again. He's a fair way off, but he's moving. I'm trying to sort of lock in on him, but it's hard to sort of see. He is quite dim in the distance, and I can't see it through the monitor, but I can see him moving, and he's really moving, isn't he, mate? He's really moving. Like a mate here, he's looking through binoculars at him. I'll see if I can zoom in, see if I can do a lock in. There he is. Hang on. He's really moving. He's a really hard one to lock in on. He's gone. He's yes, he's gone. He's very gone up there. he's really moving, that one. There he is. There's a few houses in front of me, so, but I'll try and sort of, but he's gone. Yeah, he's gone off past the light now. And but he was a big one. He was you'll see footage of that one up close. That was the one I call the it's like a cinema platform sort of thing, and that's when they well, the images that I've got, when you look at them, you'll see them surely, but they're nothing short of a horror picture. But yeah, they'll be uploaded fairly soon. Just going through the editing process. Yeah, it takes a long time to edit them. There's one in the distance over there. I think he's tailored off in the distance. He's really gone. I don't know, it's that far away. He's really moved off now. He's gone. So, but look, he might come back. They usually tend to come back. That's the second time in about. Oh, hang on. There's one over there behind us. I don't know. That one might be a plane, but he's a big one though. I don't know if he's a plane yet. He's a big one. I'll just wait for him to show. There he is. He is a big one. I don't know if that's a plane or not at this point in time. I don't think it is, to be honest with you. But he's a big one. Let me see if I can focus in on it. I'll try it again. You gotta go in and out. Sometimes you gotta lock in and lock out sort of thing. To get a really, get a lock in and gradually zoom in to do it. That one might be a plane, I don't know. He just sort of struck out of nowhere. I think I